Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a 2017 Chevy Traverse Premier all-wheel drive. Stock number Z9252X. 48,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade, clean auto check history report. We sold this Traverse brand new, Mosaic black, metallic in color. You do receive the balance of the factory 5-year, 60,000 mile powertrain warranty. It's a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and inside government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seat 7 with a leather interior, bucket seats in the middle row, fixed skylight overhead with sunshade, rear audio as well as climate controls. Middle row seats will fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row that seats 3. Advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, forward collision alert, backup camera, and rear parking sensors. Power liftgate for convenience. 60/40 split rear seat. Folds flat easily, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. With additional underfloor storage. This Traverse has trailering package as well. Nice clean look behind the cover when not in use. And speaking of clean, no dents or dings in the body. This Premier has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, memory settings for 2 drivers, 10-speaker Bose sound system, power seats, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position, power moonroof, leather wrapped steering wheel, which is heated, great for those cold winter days. Cruise control, steering wheel mounted audio controls, large touchscreen infotainment system, for radio. It's also satellite radio capable, navigation, Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. You can even sync smartphones, Pandora, and Stitcher radio apps. And there's, of course, where the backup camera displays. 3-zone automatic temperature control to make sure everyone's comfortable. Heated as well as cooled front seats. Keep you comfortable no matter what time of year. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console, along with a large glove box with all the owner's materials inside. Overhead, auto-dimming mirror, HomeLink transmitter for garage door opener, and power moonroof control. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 288 horsepower, and just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway, and approximately 60% of the tire tread left. For more information on this Traverse, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.